Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Travels. I'm so excited Level 8 has sent me the Grace luggage set to review for them. Let's take it inside and have a look. This is a great budget-friendly option for Level 8 luggage. I love how they fit inside each other for easy storage, and I really like how they each come with their own dust bag. It keeps them from getting scratched or dusty in storage. So if you're buying the set like this, you're getting a large 28-inch, a medium 24-inch, and a 20-inch expandable carry-on. First of all, let's have a look at all the features that are the same on each bag, and then we'll have a closer look at the carry-on, which has some exciting details built in that I think you're going to really like. The top corners on all the pieces have reinforced metal corner protection, and each bag comes with 8 360-degree multi-directional spinner wheels, making these bags super easy to maneuver. This is something I look for in luggage, and I'm so happy to see this feature on these bags. Built-in TSA combination locks, they offer built-in security for your bags. They come preset at 000, and at the end of this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily change the combination. All 3 sizes come with sturdy, ergonomic, aluminum telescopic handles with 3 different height options. So they also have a top and side grip handles for lifting your bags, and the lightweight yet durable shells are made of PVC and ABS materials with a 3-layer micro diamond texture surface for strength and scratch resistance. Let's have a close-up look at the 20-inch carry-on. I love carry-ons with the front pockets that open up. This space is amazing. So this is my 13-inch MacBook Air that fits in the back pocket here. It will hold a bigger computer. This one's 13-inch, like I said. It can hold up to a 15-inch laptop. And the front padded pocket will hold my 10-inch iPad. I've also got my power source, which I'm going to put right here in this front pocket. I've got a book to read, and I've got my headphones. I absolutely love carry-on suitcases with these front pockets. They come in so handy, and it actually kind of eliminates the need for a briefcase or like even an extra bag. So I'm going to show you a little hidden compartment here that I just discovered, and it's right behind where your laptop would go, and it unzips, and it's just this great space that you can put top secret files or really anything that you need out of the way or that you might worry about getting ruined. You could even fit another laptop in here. I'm going to open the bag a different way and show you. This is so cool. The fact that it's Velcroed makes it so that you can open it wide. So there's the pen slots that we looked at. Here's the bottom pocket and an upper pocket as well. So those are quite large pockets. And then they've got the 2 smaller pockets there, and then on the front, the pockets for the laptop and the iPad like I showed you. And here's that hidden compartment again. I'll show it to you again here. Now, one thing you have to know about this compartment, this entire compartment, is that it does take away from the inside of the bag. So this side is actually expandable, which I'll show you in just a second, so you can gain some space there. But keep that in mind. You're going to be a light packer on this side of things if you're going to fill this front portion with a lot of stuff. The zipper pulls interlock, and you can use a little cable lock or a travel lock to secure this pocket. All right, let's open this bag right up and have a look in the main compartments. Oh, look at this. It actually comes with a travel lock. So that's the lock you're going to use to close up those zippers on the front. All right, so this solid piece here covers up the front portion. They've given you little letters here, like sticker letters. Now those come in really handy for making your luggage look unique, so you can put your initials on the bag somewhere. So this is the part that has the front section in it as well. So it's not a huge section. The other side has this mesh pocket, and it's also got the clipping straps in, and there you can see the mesh pocket has a zipper on it as well. That comes in handy. And this part here is the main compartment of this bag. This 20-inch carry-on weighs 9 pounds or 4 kilograms empty. It holds 36 to 42 liters, and that's how bags are measured. It's perfect for a weekend getaway or a short trip, and it measures 14.6 inches by 9.4 inches by 21.6 inches. With the extension zipped open, you'll gain about 2.5 inches of space on that front inside compartment. This bag is the most unique of all the 3 bags, but let's go ahead and have a look at the 28-inch trunk, as Level 8 calls it. This one weighs in at only 11 pounds or 5 kilograms. It has a capacity of 104 liters and measures in at 20.5 inches by 11.8 inches by 30.7 inches. It's perfect for longer trips, and this bag would be considered a checked bag if you're taking it on a flight. Inside the bag, you're going to find 2 compartments, one with a mesh zippered cover with a pocket, and one with adjustable straps to hold everything in place. The 24-inch case is also a checked bag on a flight. It weighs 9.5 pounds or 4.3 kilograms. It can hold 68 liters and measures in at 18.5 inches by 10.6 inches by 26.8 inches. It's perfect for a 3 to 7 day trip. The inside is configured exactly like the 28-inch trunk. Online, you can order the carry-on by itself, and be sure to specify that you want the Grace EXT carry-on if you want the option of the extendable added space. Otherwise, you're just going to get the 20-inch carry-on with no expandability, which is also fine if you're a light packer. So when you order these bags, you can order the entire 3-piece set that I've shown you here in this video. But if you don't need all the pieces, you can also order 2-piece sets with the carry-on and the 24-inch, or the carry-on and the 28-inch trunk. I promised to show you how to change the combination on this built-in lock. It's super easy. It comes preset at 0, 0, 0, and you see the little open arrow here. You just push this sideways. And if you want to change that combination, you just need something sharp like a pen. Push down on that little button, change your combination, and open the lock again. And it's set at 999. I'm going to put it back to 0, 0, 0. Push the button, 0, 0, 0, open. And now it's set back at 0, 0, 0. Super simple. People always ask me, if the suitcase comes with a keyhole, why doesn't it come with a key? This TSA lock is actually for a TSA agent to be able to get into your bag if you're not around and they need to see the contents inside. They have a special key and it just fits in, and they can unlock your bag without wrecking your lock. Now, you can actually order these keys on Amazon. I'll add a link below in the description if you want to order one yourself. I love that these pieces fit so nicely inside one another. Keith and I often travel that way. If we're going to a country with great shopping, we'll simply pack the smaller suitcase full of our clothes and stick it inside the bigger case and check it all in. And when we arrive at our destination, we have an empty suitcase to fill. I hope you found my review on the Level 8 Grace luggage set helpful. I'll add links below to all the combinations I talked about in this video. I'll also add links here at the end of this video to other Level 8 luggage I love. Thanks for watching Tinagirl Travels. Be sure to click that thumbs up and the subscribe button. It actually really helps me out on my YouTube channel. I'll see you again soon here on Tinagirl Travels.